Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can automatically mute your phone while driving. So there is a feature on Android phones where you can automatically silence notifications when you are in a car, in a moving vehicle, and this feature is usually used if you are a driver. So what you need to do is just go to the settings on your Android phone and find the emergency and safety option, or just type in safety on the search bar. This one, safety and emergency, just tap on that, and then if you scroll down there will be this option, silent notifications while driving. So this is currently off, so to turn it off, to turn it on, you can just click on it. So by enabling this feature, you can limit interruptions like calls and text messages. Your device can automatically turn on the do not disturb when you are driving, and your device uses motions and Bluetooth connections to figure out when you are in a moving vehicle. So it's using smart motion detection, so you can just turn it on. So when you are in a car, like when your device notice you are in a car in a moving vehicle, it will automatically silent the notifications. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.